series normally depends in the trim. It will come in cloth, guys. These vehicles were not making leather, at least this one was not. So the issue is, as you can see, we talk about welcome guys, and we have the car of the day. This is the 2013 Subaru Crosstrek, guys, and this will fit the 2013 to 2017 the Crosstreks. And in this case, guys, we're gonna be doing the Sasquatch Edition for this vehicle. What you're looking at, guys, is the black wrap with perforated orange insert and orange double stitch, guys. And remember that you can order this in over 60 different colors and endless combinations, guys, including thread, piping. We have special editions and text stitch patterns for the inserts, and also we have it in the wings, and you name it, we can make it in any pattern that you can think of, guys. Let's take a look at the toy. And this is what we're always talking about, guys. When you buy these vehicles, the series normally depends in the trim. It will come in cloth, guys. These vehicles were not making leather, at least this one was not. So the issue is, as you can see, we talk about this constantly, horrible stinky cloth seats. So it needs an upgrade for sure, guys. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna change these horrible, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats, and we're gonna be installing leather, guys. You can see how horrible, how stained this can get. So, and as much as you spend money trying to keep them clean, the stains returns constantly. So it needs leather for sure. And you know, when you need leather like this, you have to go to LeatherTeck.com, so you can order your factory kit, your custom designs, or any combination that you like, guys. And you want to take it to the next level, you can order your degree system, guys, so you can be always cozy in your ride with 3 levels of cooling and 3 levels of heating in one little switch, guys. You want to save hundreds of dollars, guys, go to LeatherTeck.com so you can save in your next kit hundreds of dollars. This is a special club of people, so they don't need to wait for any special. So if you want to be part of this, all you have to do is go to LeatherTeck.com, fill out that form, and then you're gonna be included in our mailing list, so you can save always when you buy your leather kit, guys. And I know it looks like crap, guys, but wait until I finish this installation so you can see how beautiful this leather interior is going to be. So like and subscribe, guys, so you can see more transformations and techniques and how we do the installations for your beautiful leather seats at LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery, guys, because we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult, guys. And please look for those before and after pictures so you can see this transformation, guys. You're gonna like it. And if you have any questions, recommendations, please let me know. Put it in the comments, send us a text, visit LeatherTeck.com so you can see all the available patterns, combinations that are already previewed for you guys, so you can make your selection. Thank you for watching, and look forward for those before and after pictures or videos so you can see this beautiful transformation. And if you go again, guys, if you have questions, recommendations, please put it in the comments. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.